Hello everyone, it's Natasha from Treasure Books. Today I'm doing an unboxing from Cheery Bird Vintage, links down below. And this is a Junk Journalist's Delight box, and it contains 15 to 20 pieces of mixed true vintage ephemera. Fun? Alright, I haven't opened it yet, so let's have a look what's inside. Oh, okay, thanks so much for your purchase. We are a small family-owned business. All of the information will be down below, and their website has quite a bit of information. So this is a subscription box. You can have one, 6 months, 3 months, or you can have a one-off. So you can just choose a one-off box to see how you like it. And from what I understand, each box has a handmade item from the creator. So I think this is it, and perhaps this as well. Oh, how fun. I have a tutorial on making these. So what I was really excited about at first when I heard about this box is the fact that there will be photographs. I'm never able to find photographs here in Australia. I don't know if I'm looking in the wrong places or... Okay, so this... Okay. These are some envelopes with little things tucked inside. Oh, look at this. From 1958. I'm really excited about this because I can never actually find true vintage things here. Here's another one. Another postcard. And all of these little envelopes are also reusable, which is fun. And here's another one. Wow. It looks so old, probably from the 50s. Okay, look at this. Photographs. Seam binding. Oh, this looks like fun. What's in here? Some little fussy cutouts. Look at that. Oh, how cool. So what's fun about this also is that you get if you do a subscription, you get a little surprise every month, which is always fun. But you can just start with one box, a vintage playing card, awesome. And then, see how you like it. Obviously, all of these boxes are going to be different. These are some dictionary, vintage, all different dictionary pages. So yes, all of the boxes obviously are going to be different, so you won't get the same thing that I've got here. Obviously the photos themselves are originals, so 1947, I have a feeling I'm going to be hoarding these and not actually using them. What is this? Personnel. Oh, okay, so this is some sort of a marine navy ship or something, so this is maybe general purpose summary car. I'm gonna have to look into this. It looks very interesting. Here's another little envelope with some postage stamps. So cool. What I would love to do is create a few journals just using this stuff. Bingo card, bright bingo. Just using this stuff and nothing else. That would be fun. And here's some more vintage. Oh, look at this. My goodness, this is such thin paper. It's great for collage. And some little clippings from old newspapers. Look at this. It would be really cool just to do a journal just using these vintage things to keep that vintage feel. That would be the drawing point, or the selling point, I guess you can say, of the journal. Okay, what's this? It's a little box. Looks like it's a handmade box. Oh my, look at this. With little bits and pieces. This is great. I love this because if I'm going to be making that journal just using things from here, then it's great to have things like this. So I can do closures and, little tags and all sorts of stuff. I mean, like, when I saw this, I was thinking like tops of tags, that's what I mean. Okay, some buttons in there. Some more clippings from newspapers and a map page. Look at this. I wonder what year this is from. It looks very old. I live here. Alright, now some music pages. Oh, look at this. I always have a hard time using my music pages because I don't have that many, but now I have more. And that is it. I'm so going to reuse all of this beautiful packaging in this box. You know, I love subscription boxes because it's like a little surprise you receive every month. It's like a little birthday that you give, you know, birthday gift you give yourself every single month. It was my birthday last week, so this is perfect. But like I said, if you don't want to do a monthly subscription, if you don't want to commit to that sort of thing, you can always just do a one-off box. All of the links are down below to their website and their selling sites, so check it out. Let me know what you think of all of these goodies. I'm actually really quite happy with what's in here, and I'm going to do the journal, you know, just the vintage, a journal just using these things. I'm not going to add any other things. And I think it's nice. There's a lot of reproductions at the moment, you know, with the vintage stuff. So it's nice to receive something that's actually old rather than made to look old, which is what I do all the time because I don't have access to this stuff. All right. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!